Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you need to find device maintenance, and now let's wait until the following screen pops up. Choose Optimise now. The device is optimizing itself. Alright, let's choose done right here. You can also tap on the memory and search for some junk files that you can clean. Let me choose clean now, and the device is cleaning some junk files. So basically that's it. You just speed up your smartphone. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.